It's for me. This is our new for the sports festival. So, Undukay in Japanese. May nakalagay na mga bata kasi nasa elementary. Ito nakalagay yung pinaka na school. Secret na lang yung school because if I show, bawal kasi sa school niya. Look at that, Guide Life in Japan. Binigyan kami ng libro. Tapos merong ring libro na nakatranslate siya sa Filipino language. Yes! I made it! Look at that. So cute, right? So I'm in the class. Ta-da! This is the classroom, grade 4 classroom. Hindi, uy. Snake talaga siya. Hi, babe. The best. Kaya yun. Nakablog. Ang ano?
Malapit na sa inyo? Gusto gumala ng albay.
A tour of...
Let's take a picture, everyone. Yan, yung strawberry masarap din.
Yes, ma'am. Sarap. Tamang-tama yung suot mo. Naka-strawberry ka.
Mari akin yan.
Tusrok ako dyan! Nakaganon sa
Uy, ang ganda. Ganda sa picture.
Nice na kulay.
Oo. Tama, parang may mga sisipa.
You know that it's drink, correct? Okay. Tomorrow will be the sports festival here at our school. So it's Saturday, then on Monday we don't have class. But it's good because they canceled the class on Monday, so the students will prepare for another week on Tuesday rather, so they have rest. That's it. And also teachers, so they considered also the teachers, students. Dear John.
Hey, thank you. Matatagak. Dalawa ba siya?
Wow! Dalawa talaga
Ah, kala ko couple eh. Couple ka, John. we do. M is for secret. Bawal sabihin.
Me after the siguro kung mag-plan sila ng ano nila. Rice. Yeah! Labo ng camera ko. Hi! Oh my God. For today, nabili na nila ang wakay. Kami.
Or F. F. You can show me like this one.
Look at that. Ang cute ng embroidery niyo. Tapos the other one for only 200 yen. Let's try this sana eye cream. 4-in-1. Tapos nagbubuyat ka pa dun. Wala din.
Check na. Wala, nag-error. Wala.
Ayun din.
Baka mamatayan na.
Mama, ayun, maliit.
Ah, saan?
Yan.
Alo, oo nga. Ayan. Parang talong.
Ay, hindi pa yan.